As society progresses and our living standards rise, obesity rates are climbing worldwide, especially in economically developed countries. Obesity isn't just about being overweight, it's a complex metabolic disease influenced by physiological, genetic, and environmental factors. The increase in obesity has profound impacts on individual health and the economy. Types of obesity. There are mainly two types, primary and secondary obesity. Most common is primary obesity, caused by consuming more energy than we burn. Secondary obesity stems from other diseases, like hormonal imbalances. Factors influencing obesity. 1. Genetics, a significant player in obesity, with children of obese parents at higher risk. 2. Diet, overeating high-calorie, high-fat, and high-sugar foods is a leading cause. 3. Neuroendocrine factors, hormonal imbalances can reduce energy metabolism, leading to obesity. 4. Social and environmental factors, the fast pace of modern life, stress, and lack of exercise can all contribute to obesity. 5. Mental health, stress and emotional instability can also increase the risk of obesity. Consequences of obesity. Obesity affects not just appearance and self-esteem, but can lead to health issues like cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and hypertension. It can also impact work and life quality, reducing satisfaction. Prevention and treatment. Combating obesity requires a multifaceted approach. Developing healthy dietary habits and increasing physical activity are key. For secondary obesity caused by specific diseases, treating the underlying condition is crucial. Psychological and social support is also vital in helping patients maintain a positive lifestyle and self-image. The role of tea in weight loss. Tea, particularly green tea, pu'er tea, and oolong tea, is believed to aid in weight loss thanks to its bioactive components. Effective weight loss components in tea. Modern research shows that components in tea, like catechins, caffeine, saponins, and vitamins, play significant roles in fat metabolism. They help break down fats, remove cholesterol from blood vessels, and excrete it through urine. How tea helps combat obesity. Promotes fat oxidation. Catechins increase the rate of fat oxidation, helping reduce fat accumulation. Increases energy expenditure. The combined effects of caffeine and catechins can boost energy expenditure, aiding weight loss. Suppresses appetite. Studies suggest that regular green tea consumption can reduce hunger and food intake. Regulates blood sugar. Tea components may also help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing hunger caused by blood sugar fluctuations. Clinical trials have shown that teas like oolong and green tea can significantly reduce weight, waist circumference, body fat ratio, and visceral fat content. They can also lower systolic blood pressure and LDL cholesterol levels, offering substantial benefits against obesity and cardiovascular diseases. However, relying solely on tea for weight loss has limited effectiveness. A healthy diet combined with proper exercise is a more effective way to fight obesity. Let's chat about tea and weight loss. Hey there! Today we're diving into how our daily cup of tea can be more than just a comforting ritual. It might just be a secret weapon in the battle against obesity. With obesity rates soaring globally, it's crucial we talk about not just the problem, but also the solutions, and yes, tea is part of that conversation. From green to oolong to pu'er, different teas come packed with components that could help us shed those extra pounds. But remember, while tea can give us a nudge in the right direction, it's not a magic solution. Pairing it with a balanced diet and regular exercise is key to truly tipping the scales in our favor. So grab your favorite mug, let's sip our way through this topic together, and explore how making small changes like enjoying a daily cup of tea can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Cheers to that! If you're keen on exploring the world of premium teas and tea accessories, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a wealth of engaging content that spans the vast universe of tea culture. Dive into our videos to quench your thirst for knowledge on all things tea. And for those who wish to bring the essence of our discussions into your home, our website www.AdmirinGazeLand.com offers an exclusive selection of high-quality teas and tea accessories available for purchase. Join our community today by subscribing and visit our website to discover the perfect blend that speaks to your soul. Thank you for your support, and we can't wait to share our passion for tea with you.